One of the features that sets Agency Pro apart from general accounting systems is the way a policy controls your payment postings. Variables like your agency accounting method and the policy's billing method tell the system exactly how the payment should post to your accounting. In this video, we will cover agency bill payments. In general, the client AR tracks client balances on agency bill policies. When an agency bill policy posts, the client shows an amount due, and when the client pays, the amount due is reduced and the receipt is logged into the cash account, awaiting deposit processing. When you click the icon to apply a payment, the payment screen will show you how much is showing due per policy. You first must apply the payment toward the policy by typing a partial payment amount into the Amount Paid column, or by double-clicking to pay the policy in full. Double-clicking also marks the policy as paid in the Client Paid column. Next, we put in the total amount in the Amount of Payment field and change the date if needed. You have the option of recording a check number, or if it is a cash payment, check the cash box. The check number field can take alpha characters, so if the finance or mortgage company is paying, or perhaps it is a credit card payment, you can type that information in. The invoice number is also an optional field. If you know the invoice number and this payment is paying only one invoice, you can type it in. It is important to only type the invoice number, as the system will seek the highest number while posting your next agency bill policy. The OK button is only available if the amount applied against your policies equals the amount you typed in the amount of payment. We click OK to post this partial payment, which will reduce the client AR balance and log an entry into the cash account. Clicking on the View Transaction Detail icon will give you an idea of how this payment just applied has cycled into the accounting. If you are on an accrual basis, your policy posting looked like this prior to the payment, and like this after the payment. You can see that the payment simply appended to the existing postings and reduced the client's receivable account. If you are on a cash basis, your policy postings were blank prior to the payment, and the payment generated postings based on the way the policy was entered. First against the non-premium items, then splitting the difference between the commission and company payable. The commission and company payable will not be 100% posted until the client has paid the policy in full. This is why it is so important to apply your payment correctly when running on a cash basis. Continue on to learn how Agency Pro handles client payments against direct bill policies.